You came in on your own. It's your own fault.
Bruce, it's always good to meet old friends and see new things and listen to some very interesting speakers.
Okay, come back. What do you think of the conference?
I think the conference was amazing. Annette and Mike did a fabulous
Carrie Scarcelli from John Deere Canada is your 2024 Rick Austin Memorial Dispatcher of the Year Award winner. Could we all please stand and join me in welcoming our 2024 inductees, Dave Lalonde, Bob Kester, Michael Lindberg, and John Robinson.
conference there ever is.
Congratulations, you're the new, leader of the BMTC?
The new chair.
The new chair.
July 1st.
Woman-led, woohoo!
Been another great conference. Mike always puts together a great crew, runs everything on time, works like clockwork.
And with that, again, thank you to everybody. Have a great trip home. Have a good summer.